fan of dark chocolate, then this episode is for you. Today, I'm making a delicious dark cherry chocolate Gateau, and in honor of 4th of July, I'm adding a bit of an explosive twist. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to make our chocolate filling. Now, our chocolate filling is very similar to the truffle recipe right there. We're basically making a giant chocolate ganache and then making it into a cake. The second step is we need to make our crust. Now, our crust is very similar to what you would do for a cheesecake. It's just a graham cracker crust. But I'm adding a bit of an explosive twist. Pop rocks. No, you don't need to adjust the volume. You heard it right. Pop rocks. We're going to incorporate pop rocks into our crust, and when you bite into it, it's going to be like little fireworks going off in your mouth. It's actually a really, really cool effect. You get like this popping sound near the back of your head. It's really wild. It's a very cool dessert trick for parties. I highly recommend it. All right, well, I think we got a game plan set, so let's do this. Alright, well that's how easy it is to make a delicious dark cherry chocolate Gateau from the comfort of your own home. You actually hear the popping in the back of your mouth. Here, take a listen. Isn't that crazy? This is the type of food right here that I love to make because it's fun to eat. And food that's fun to eat is the best. And any chef who can do that definitely deserves a like, share, and subscribe. It's down there somewhere. Hashtag shameless plug. And don't forget the little bell. Get notifications each time a new show comes out so you don't miss a thing. see you guys next week, where I'm going to be making something super, super delicious. You can count on it. Outro.